In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram keeps asking for birthday. Now Instagram has recently updated their terms and conditions now where people below the age of 13 cannot use Instagram anymore. So for that reason, Instagram has continuously asked many people to add in their birthdays if they haven't already, and you should be pretty much be able to fix this problem as soon as you add your birthday on your Instagram. So firstly, what you need to do is head over to the profile section on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings. From settings, tap on the accounts option, which should be showing right here, and head over to personal information. From here on the bottom, you'll have an option of birthday. You can easily tap on it and change your birthday. You can change the month, day and the year, make changes, and then tap on the tick mark on the top right. Tap on confirm, and there you go. As soon as you add in your birthday on Instagram, your problem should be pretty much fixed. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.